Shanghai Jiading is an integrated industry and trade company with 15 years plus experience in the processing industry. It specializes in processing customized services according to customers' drawings or samples, mainly including CNC aluminum cases, CNC machining parts, precision machine parts, and other related precision metal parts. We can accept challenging projects and large orders. Our Nantong Yecheng company has 60 CNC machines imported from Japan, a 16-gun fully automatic sandblasting machine, and a fully automatic anodizing production line. All parts are inspected by workers using advanced QC equipment including CMM. The QC team has more than 3 years of part QC experience. 100% inspection will be conducted before delivery. Our technical team can quickly accept and understand customers' descriptions and ideas to design and realize their desired parts requirements. Our products are widely used in communication, electronics, aerospace, semiconductor equipment, medical equipment, energy equipment, automation equipment, driverless vehicles, and mechanical equipment. Conventional application materials include 6061, 5052, 7075, 6082 series aluminum alloy, 303, 304, 316 series stainless steel, H59, H62, H65 series brass, POM, PC, PP, PE, acrylic, ABS, PEEK, and other engineering plastics. The surface treatment includes anodizing, OEM color, sandblasting, wire drawing, mirror polishing, surface nitriding, electrogalvanizing, electro-nickel plating, and spraying, which can be customized according to customers' needs. Our customers include Huawei, Cisco, Siemens, and Tesla. Contact us today, and our team will reply to you within 24 hours.